This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix the match server response timeout issue in PUBG Mobile on iPhone. So if you're facing your PUBG Mobile match timeout error, don't worry. You can follow these quick steps to fix this issue. So the first solution is check your internet connection. To check your internet connection, open a browser and open a random website. If the website working properly, it's mean your internet connection don't has any issue. Then follow the second steps. Turn on airplane mode for 20 seconds and after 20 seconds disable the airplane mode, and then you can switch your internet between Wi-Fi and cellular. Make sure to use a very high internet connection speed and then check the issue. And the third solution is offload the PUBG app. Go to your settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and here search for PUBG. Just open the PUBG from here and offload the app and then reinstall the app from here and then check the issue. And the fourth solution is enable background app refresh. To do that, go to your iPhone settings again, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh and select Wi-Fi and mobile data and then check the issue. And the fifth solution is reset your network settings. Go to general, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.